This two-story 58 SQM modern townhouse is a compact, functional space for a gamer family of 4. Designed with minimalist style, smart storage, and cozy gaming nooks, it blends tech comfort with family bonding and efficient living. Bright, compact living zone with a modern sofa, floating TV console, and ambient gamer lighting, designed for style, comfort, and daily family playtime. A cozy round 4-seater dining nook with oak tones, seamlessly tucked between the living room and kitchen, compact, stylish, and made for family moments. A space-smart kitchen with sleek wood finishes, built-ins, and a slim fridge, minimalist, efficient, and ready for everyday meals. The L-shaped staircase is neatly tucked into the back corner, featuring solid wood steps that match the ground floor and clean white risers for a bright, open feel. At the top of the L-shaped staircase, the second floor landing opens into a compact but bright hallway that efficiently distributes access to the 3 rooms and shared bathroom. This cozy yet functional master bedroom embraces a minimalist, modern aesthetic within a perfectly square 3 meters by 3 meters footprint. This bright and functional 3 meters by 2.5 meters bedroom is thoughtfully designed to comfortably accommodate 2 children of different ages within a shared, compact space. This compact yet functional bathroom is designed with a clean, minimalist layout that maximizes every inch of space. Love clean lines and clever space? Smash that like!